What's up, everybody? This is T-Terry04. Today we did a little fishing video. I've been uploading some game videos right now, but like I said, we did today. It was a nice day out, 70 degrees. It's still a little early to do a little bit of fishing, but we decided to anyway. The river's a little bit clear right now, so like I said, it's 70 degrees here. Today is February 12th, 2017. Did a little upload here. We caught some smallmouth. We got some film of one smallmouth here, so check it out. That one. There you go. That's a pretty good one. Yeah, man. Heck yeah. Get that off there. It's a light color, ain't he? Here, put him up here to the camera. First smallie of the year. That's a good one. Heck yeah.